Hello everyone, my name is Nikunj Anand and today I am here to present a topic that is server virtualization technique 1. So here is the overview that we covered in this particular slide. The first is the what is virtualization, second is the problem assessment, why virtualization, and the third one is the server virtualization, fourth one is the typical server model, fourth one is the virtualization server model, hypervision, type of hypervision, or native supervisor, type 1 hosted supervisor, type 2nd warning about hosted hypervisor, advantages of virtualization and marketplace offering. So moving to the first slide, that is what is virtualization. So basically the virtualization is the creation of virtual rather than actual version of something such as operation system and a server, a storage device or a network resources. The next one is the problem assessment and why virtualization. So first one is the each physical hardware of each server connected from the different source. Next one is the high cost, power consumption, downtime of a server, machine crashing, high infrastructure, less utilization of resources. And next one is the server virtualization. Server virtualization in general terms lets you take a physical device and install or run two or more OS environments that are potentially different and have different identity, application, stacks, and so on. And next one is the what is typical server model. That's the application that we used and the operating system that we used and the hardware that connected to each and every source of level, and the virtualized server model that the application that connected to the operating system that we use, and the hypervision, and the next one is the hardware. Or next one is the what is hypervisor. Hypervisor or virtual machine monitor VMM is a computing layer which allow multiple operating systems to run on a host computer at the same time. That is originally developed in 1970 as a part of the IBM. And there are basically two type of hypervisor. Next one is the native hypervisor type 1. The second is the hosted hypervisor type 2nd. And the next one is the native hypervisor type 1. The following step to be followed in a native hypervisor, able to install more than one OS in a virtual server. Next one is the copy the OS from one virtual server to another easily, and the over allocation of memory than the available memory in the physical server. Uh, and what is hosted supervisor type 2? That basically work as a hierarchical form that we connected from one node to another. And what are the warning about hosted supervisor? Here, overall allocation of memory is not possible. Advantages of virtualization. First advantage of the virtualization is zero downtime maintenance. Second one is dynamic resource sharing, low maintenance cost, backup and automation restoring. Or next one is the marketplace offering in the two level that is freely available. That is OpenVH open source, VMware server, GXX, Zen 3.0 open source, and the commercial form, Virtuosos, VMware ESX, Zen Enterprises, or Microsoft Virtual Server, Virtual Iron, and the summary of this PPT, that is virtualization offer major saving in data center operations, reduction in the cost of managing data centers, virtualization offer backup and high availability service, and cloud computing use the virtualization of the main component. Thank you.